Again. One. No, I'm not. Yes, I am.
Are you cold? No, I am not.
And no, I'm not. Jerry, go.
Are you cold? No, I am not.
Okay, you look at Jerry. Jerry, look at Kyle. Go. No kiss.
Jerry, are you cold? No, I'm not.
Good. Jerry, your turn. Ask anybody. Number 2. Put it in your desk. Sit down. Sit. Number 2. Who do you want to ask? Anybody, but not Kyle. Claire, stop. Who?
Claire.
Okay, Claire. Number 2. Answer Jerry's question. Ask. No.
Are you sick?
Again.
Are you sick? Yes, I am.
Look at me. Are you sick? Yes, I am. You have to answer quickly and quiet. Now, are you sick? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Everybody say, yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Are you a girl? Yes, I am. Kyle. Are you a boy?
Yes, I am.
Kyle, give me your chip. Give me your chip. You are picking your nose.